Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Nissan Qashqai Acenta Premium. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 158 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles and comes with full service history from Nissan. This particular colour is the gun metallic and looks in good condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the Acenta Premium comes with a good level of features. So first of all, you've got the interior there, as you see, in great condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation and DAB radio. And this car also has cruise control, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so nice raised driving position, easy access into the rear there, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts too. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the upholstered shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have your tyre inflator kit as well, and a bit of extra storage there, so that's nice and handy. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.